After a hard day's work, the engines on Sodor can look forward to a well-earned rest. But recently, Stafford the electric engine never seemed fully charged, and he was about to take a stand on his own behalf.
Hello, Stafford. Oh my, you look terrible.
Yes, I imagine I would.
Are you alright?
No, I'm not. I haven't slept in over a month, and I believe it has something to do with my current sleeping arrangements.
Your sleeping arrangements? Oh, you mean the sheds. Stafford, that's something my dad puts together.
Yes, and I've come to you with this issue because I feel you to be a lot more approachable on the matter. Please let me explain.
Psst. Stafford. Stafford. Stafford?
What?
Are you awake?
Yes!
Great! I wanted to tell you all about my day. Did you have a good day? I had a great day. I shunted so many trucks. I even made a delivery. A whole delivery, all by myself. It was from Knapford to Timoth though, so not very far, but still, it was amazing. I'd love to have other jobs on the main line, maybe even my own branch line, like Thomas. Do you think I could do it? I bet I could. I mean, seriously, what are the standards of this?
Oh dear. Could you try to get some rest in between jobs?
Funny story about that. There, that's all tidied up. Philip's gone too. It looks like I could take a little nap.
Hey there, Staffy.
Hello, Charlie. What are you up to?
Ooh, great things, Stafford. Great things. I've been working on some new material I want to run by you. Buckle up, buddy. It's gonna put a shock to your system.
Thank you, Charlie, but I'm really tired. I was just about to take a nap, you see, and...
Napping on the job? Oh, Stafford, that's not like you at all. You should be zipping and zapping around like the little buzzy battery box you are.
Charlie, please stop.
No, you stop me if you've heard this one. So, what do you get when you cross a tram engine with Shakespeare? Toby or not Toby? Am I right? Huh?
I can live with Charlie, and I can live with Philip. But I cannot do both, Mr. Hatt.
I see. I'll see if I can make some sort of arrangement.
Thank you.
And that's just what he did. That night, Richard discovered that there was a goods train running from Wellsworth to Knapford early in the morning.
There we go. If another engine was based at Wellsworth, they could take the morning train.
And then Richard realized there was indeed a little engine who liked to work on the main line.
Fill up! Filling up with fuel, kind of like you are right now. Isn't that clever? I thought of that. What's your name?
Hello! Any wool for today? I'm afraid not, Rex. Odd as it may sound, I never actually owned any sheep.
What? How can that be? You've given us wool every year.
The truth is, the sheep were brought to me. I was shearing them for a friend of mine, but I haven't seen him in months.
That's odd. I wonder where he's gone.